Hi, my name is Satwant from Digital Money Lab. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you a cryptocurrency invoicing and accounting solution which is free, and it allows you to send invoices to your customers in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now please note that at the time of recording of this video, this functionality that you're about to see is free, but things could change in future as the company develops its solution further. Now, before I go into the demo, I wanted to quickly run through the benefits of sending invoices in Bitcoin or Ethereum to your customers. The first benefit is simple pricing. As the price of Bitcoin is constantly fluctuating, sending Bitcoin invoices to your customers saves them the hassle of figuring out how many Bitcoins to send you. For example, if you send an invoice for $100, the invoice will automatically tell your customer exactly how many Bitcoins they need to pay you. Secondly, improved cash flow. Sending Bitcoin invoices can dramatically improve your cash flow because you can receive a Bitcoin transfer within minutes to an hour once your customer pays. There is no middleman, such as a bank, holding on to your revenue. The transaction goes directly into your own Bitcoin wallet. Thirdly, no credit card processing fees. Sending a Bitcoin invoice means you can eliminate these fees, which are typically 2 to 3%. Next, no transaction fees. So there are no transaction fees to be paid by your company. Only your customer will need to pay a small transaction fee when they pay your invoice in Bitcoin. Lastly, no chargebacks. Now this is a big one. With Bitcoin invoices, you can eliminate chargeback fraud entirely. And on top of that, chargebacks are simply not possible with Bitcoin because transactions are final once they are completed. So let's move on to the demonstration. The solution I wanted to demonstrate is from Gilded. Their website URL is get.gilded.finance, and the link is also below in the description. At the time of this recording, the Gilded solution allows you to send Bitcoin and Ethereum invoices to your customers. This makes it a very flexible solution for your customers as well. If we scroll down the page, you can see that there is a free invoicing tier on the left-hand side, which allows you to send and receive cryptocurrency invoices. In addition, you can see from the 2 additional tiers that Gilded is a solution that will allow you to see and aggregate all of your transactions, which can then automatically link to accounting software packages such as QuickBooks. For the purposes of this demo, I'm assuming that you already have a cryptocurrency wallet which has a Bitcoin or Ethereum address that you can use to receive funds from your customers. If you don't, head over to one of these 2 websites. The first one is exodus.io, which is a multi-currency crypto wallet, or an alternative is brd.com. Both of these are really good multi-coin cryptocurrency wallets that will help you get a Bitcoin or Ethereum address quickly and easily. Okay, so here we are on the Gilded homepage again. If I scroll to the top, I'm going to click the Try It Now button. So you'll need to fill out a few of your details in order to access this solution. Now I'm going to fill out this page, and the base currency I'm going to choose is Australian dollars. But as you can see, there are lots of different currencies that you can use with the solution. So I'll fill this out and I'll see you inside. So now here we are on the main screen where we can add our wallet. So as I mentioned earlier, you can choose to have Ethereum or a Bitcoin wallet. I'm going to select Bitcoin, and now I'm going to enter the company Bitcoin address where I will receive funds from my customers' invoices. So this would be the public Bitcoin address that you've selected from your wallet. And this is no different to entering your company's bank account details for your customer to use for payment. So let me paste a Bitcoin address in here, and we'll call this company A, and hit continue. So now I want to move on and show you how to create a Bitcoin invoice. Let's click Send and Request, which is in the top right hand corner in the menu area. And now let's click New Payment here. Let's click Request Payment. You can add the details of a contact here if you want to. It's quite straightforward. Just put in a name and an email address. You don't need to worry about the Ethereum and Bitcoin address. That's only required when you're paying someone. So I've actually created one earlier, so I'll select John here and then click this next arrow. Now I'm going to leave the payment option on the left hand side, the manual verification option. And now we'll just fill out some details of the invoice. So let's call this stationery. Let's do a payment due date of 7 days from now. Now I chose the base currency earlier as Australian dollars. Let's change that to US dollars. And we'll just leave the default account that I entered earlier, which is the account that will receive the payment. Now let's go to the last step. Let's fill out some details of the invoice. Let's put A4 paper, quantity 1, 200 US dollars. And now let's click Send Invoice. So there the invoice has been sent to this email address. Now if I go to the dashboard, I'm going to cheat and pull up the invoice as it would look to the customer if they'd received that email. So if I click Share, and then I'll paste that link into a new web browser window. Okay, so that's the invoice that the customer would receive. They would just click the Pay with Crypto button on the top right here. Okay, so the invoice total has come up as 200 US dollars. So the good thing there is that the customer can understand that it's not a random amount of Bitcoin that pops up. So if we then click that, the invoicing solution tells the customer how much Bitcoin they have to pay, which will be equivalent to 200 US dollars. So that's really nice and convenient for the customer. Now this is the Bitcoin address that they need to send the Bitcoin to. So they can just click copy there, and then they can paste that address into their cryptocurrency wallet and send that amount of Bitcoin to us, the company. And really that's it. So it's most likely that you will also copy the URL like I just did and paste it into your own company's standard invoice format. You can then send an official invoice to your customer over email or a more secure messaging or file sharing format. So to summarize this solution, you can see that it is nice and simple for you to create a Bitcoin or Ethereum invoice, and it is also very clear and simple for your customer to use. And let's not forget the benefits I covered at the start of this video, which once again are simple pricing displayed for your customer, potentially massively improved cash flow for your business, no credit card processing fees to be paid by your company, no transaction fees for you to receive Bitcoin, and no fraudulent chargebacks. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you found that information to be useful. If you'd like to learn more about accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in your business, please check out my book, Bitcoin for Businesses, which is available on all Amazon stores. And if you'd like to discuss further about how accepting Bitcoin can improve your business and increase your sales, please head over to my website, digitalmoneylab.com, and fill out the contact form. In addition, all of the website and social media links for Digital Money Lab are coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.